Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all well and good with the grace of Almighty Allah. So today we are going to learn about EIGRP. That is the fifth exercise in Cisco Packet Tracer, right? Okay. So these are all the basic things what we have learned in previous classes, previous videos. Okay. So I have configured three different networks. One belongs to 10 network, another belongs to 20 network, another belongs to 1.0 network, another belongs to 2.0 network, and finally we have 3.0 network. There is five different network I have assigned, right? Okay. So initially I have configured all the basic things what I needed for my systems. So if you open the system, I have configured three IP addresses for each and every system to for don't waste my time. That is, I don't want to waste my time for defining all the IP addresses for each and every systems. Okay, if you open the router, I have defined this fast Ethernet 0.0 as 1.1. That is my gateway of my router. If you go to this system, go to desktop, go to IP configuration. If I check, my system IP will be 6 and the gateway is 1.1, right? So everything I have pre-configured. Okay, if you open the router, I have configured this port as 1.1. Okay, if you check this point 1.1 and this port 02.0 as 10.0.0.1. Okay, for connecting from one host to another host using a router. Okay, if you open the second router, it is also I have predefined network. Okay, this one is 02.0, 3.0 and Fastnet 0.0. Okay, serial 2.0 belongs to 10.0.0.2 and serial 3.0 belongs to 20.0.0.1 and fastnet 0.0 belongs to 2.1, right? So everything I have pre-configured of my network, right? Okay, so before going to EIGRP, what is EIGRP? Sorry, before going to the EIGRP, let us see what is EIGRP routing. So EIGRP is nothing but a exterior enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. Okay, enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. Okay. So what does it do? So it creates a routing protocol between one network to another network. Okay, let us see what are all the advantages and properties of EIGRP. Okay, so it belongs to enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. Okay, okay. So it is also a protocol which is designed by the Cisco. Okay. So then advanced distributed targeting. It is mainly used to uh, um, mm, it is mainly used to find the shortest path from one node to another node. If we have more number of systems from one device to another device, we don't know what are all the possible ways to reach the destination system. For example, if you are traveling from one Embody to Chennai, there are many possible ways. We don't know actual what is the fastest transmission from source to destination machine. We don't know the actual path, which is the shortest path. We don't know. Okay, we have to assign and we have to travel the shortest path from source to destination. That is, we have to travel the minimum distance, minimum required time to travel from Wanembadi to Chennai. So this protocol is mainly used to find the shortest path. Okay, it is also one method to find the shortest path. It is also a one type of protocol, right? So let us uh, configure this EIGRP. Okay, so for my convenient, I will assign this protocol as sorry, EIGRP. That is enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. Okay, okay. right? Enhance interior gateway routing protocol. So this belongs to a EIGR, right? Okay, so right. So how to configure this routing protocol? Okay, so this belongs to one network. As I already told you, so if you view from this side, this belongs to one network. That is, this belongs to 1.0 network. So 1.1, okay, and 1.5, 1.6. This belongs to a 1.0 network. Okay, since I have a IP addresses from one series. Okay, one series. If you see here, okay, if you see here, you see here, so if you see here, this belongs to another network. That is, this belongs to 10.0.01 and 10.0.0 network. Okay, so if you see this network, this belongs to a two network. Similarly, for I have five different networks, right? Okay, okay. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, right. So first, I'm going to open this router. I'm going to configure as EIGRP. For configure EIGRP, go to CLI mode. Here, type exit, exit until you receive a greater symbol. Okay. So first command to configure EIGRP, type enable, then configure terminal. You can use only four command. It will automatically assign. So now I'm in configure mode, configure terminal mode. Now, since we are configuring the router, the command for configuring the router is router EIGRP. Okay. If you forget the command, you can define a question mark. Okay. So this question mark will show you what will be the next command. Okay, if you forget the command also, you no need to worry. So this question mark will help you to find the next command. Okay, so this will show you the autonomous number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to configure this 100. So this 100 belongs to a autonomous system number. Okay, we can assign a system from 1 to 65,535 in LAN network. Okay, so that means we can assign any number of autonomous. You can define 1,000, or you can define 500, or you can define 300, etc. So for my convenience, I'm going to assign this router as EIGRP 100, right? Okay, now what you have to do, you have to define the addresses. Okay, so you can assign network 192.168.1.0. Okay, you have to define how many different networks have been connected to this router. Okay, so this router have been connected to different network. Okay, so two different, if you see here, this router is connected 1.0 and 10.0.0.1. Okay, so I have to assign network 10.0.0.0. Okay, okay, first network I have been configured successfully. Okay, first network I have been configured successfully as EIGRP, right? Okay, similarly for second router, open the second router, go to CLI mode. So before going to configure terminal, first exit, and type enable, then configure terminal. Then first I'm going to configure this side network, okay? So what is the command? So router EIGRP 100. So this 100 belongs to the autonomous number. Okay. Then network. So this network is connected to 192.168.2.0, and this also connected to 192.168. Sorry, this will connect to 10.0.0.0. So if you see here, it will adjust in the GRP network. Okay, and another this router is connected to another network that is 20.0.0.0. Okay, so successfully I have configured three different networks for three different networks to this router, right? Okay, now give exit, exit, exit. Okay, second router also I have configured successfully. Now I'm going to configure third router. Okay, go to CLI mode. So what is the command? So since this router is already in greater symbol, okay, so I have to configure directly. I can type my command, that is enabling the router. So configure terminal. Okay, type router EIGRP 100. This belongs to a 100. Okay, now if I forget that, that means you can define the question mark. If you define the question mark, you will see the list of commands you can use for this router. So you see here, this way, these are the list of commands. So now I'm going to configure the network. So okay, so I have to choose this network command. Okay, so type network again. If I forget means I can give question mark. So ABCD belongs to your IP number. Okay, so how many different networks this router has been connected? Two different networks. Okay, 3.0 and 20.0.0.0. Okay, so first I'm going to configure this network as 3.0. Okay, right? So network 192.168.3.0. Okay, then another network also connected to this router, network 20.0.0.0. Okay, so if you see here, the serial of is now adjusting the neighbor networks. Okay, right, successfully I have configured all the routers. Okay, right, now let us check whether it is working or not. Okay, so if you check from this PC to this PC, initially will get successful. If you check from this to this PC, successful. If you check from this PC to this PC, it is also successful. If you check from this server to this network, initially it get fail. If you check from second type, now it is get successful. If you check from this to this PC, initially it get fail. If you check from this server to this, successful. Okay, so let us check whether it is how to view this uh, uh, pinging on network PC. Okay, if you open the network, go to desktop, or you can go to terminal. Okay, if you open show IP route, so if you see a D belongs to EIGRP. Okay, this router will function as a EIGRP. Okay, see here, this router will configure as a EIGRP. If you open this, go to exit until we receive a greater symbol. Here you have to type show IP route. If you see the command, it will show you the this router will function as a EIGRP. So D belongs to a EIGRP, and since C is connected, C is nothing but a connected. Okay, right? Hope you understand, students. If you have any doubts or comments, please use my WhatsApp number for commenting and doubts. Thank you, students.